Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. We're gonna go ahead and take a look at this home. Today we're in Sanctuary Grande. This is another Lennar's home in Miami. So let's go take a look. Okay, so this is the main entrance when you first walk through the door. You got the small seating area. This could be a great room or just a family room. And then we're gonna head this way towards the kitchen. And you have the beautiful island here. Feels like marble. And you got your place seating for 4. Full kitchen with an electric stove. And once again, your seating area is on the side. This is where the TV goes. Right now they just have the painting, but this is where the TV should be. So yeah, this is it. On this side is gonna be first bedroom. It's a pretty good sized bedroom. And then the bathroom right next to it. This home has 5 bedrooms and 6 bathrooms. So you have an extra bathroom for your guests. And this is bathroom number 1. And let's go to the other side. Is the master. 2 double doors open. You got your bed, and then you got a little storage. And to my left is the master bathroom. And that's it for that. And right here is the closet. It's a walk-in closet. And we're gonna go on this side. On this side, it should be another bedroom. Right here is another half bath, and then another bedroom this way. Double door closets, 2 closets, and then bathroom. Put that thing out. And then on this side is going to be the laundry. It's a really big laundry room. Yeah, your washer and dryer and whole full doors of storage. A lot of storage. Now let's go to the other side. Gonna take a quick look at the dining room, and then we're gonna go upstairs. So downstairs has three bedrooms, and I think it's 3.5 baths downstairs. This is the dining area. Right now it has a table that seats. It looks like it's 8, but I'm pretty sure you can have a bigger table in here because there's a lot of room. There's a lot of space. Upstairs is gonna have the rest of the bedrooms and a loft area. First things first is the loft. This is the loft. It can be whatever you want. The only thing I am not sure about is this railing, especially if you have kids. I'm pretty sure you might have to do something with it for safety. And this is the bathroom. First bathroom for upstairs. Across from the bathroom is bedroom. This bedroom has its own bathroom. Cool. Oh no, it has a closet, I'm sorry. So the bathroom for this bedroom is right across the hall. And then back here is another bedroom. Now this one definitely has its own bathroom as well as a walk-in closet. So this could be a guest room if you want, or a room for older teenager. And then in the back, we're gonna go to the very last bedroom. And this one's just like the other one, has its own bathroom and closet as well. You can turn it off now. Okay guys, that's it for this tour of this house. Once again, I will leave the pricing and all the details that's included with this house in the description. I appreciate you guys' support. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you, and you guys have a blessed day.